Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my own hair and I'll be doing fitting braids all back. And the brand of hair I'll be using is braiding hair. I feel like the quality is so good and also it's soft, the texture compared to other braiding hair or other brands. I know you're probably wondering how am I gonna get this done with this length of hair I have. Don't worry, we're gonna get it done one way or the other. And I want to take about 2 hours to get this done, or lesser than 2 hours. Yeah, subscribe and hit me up on IG at Howley Creation and book your appointment for braids. So the technique I'll be using is that I'm gonna apply the braiding gel to the front of my hair first before doing it at the back, because I feel like by applying it at the front it will create a base for me to be able to part from the top to the bottom. And also when you're braiding your hair, especially fitting braids, make sure to start with tiny bits of the hair, like very tiny from the beginning, and then as you go by you keep adding the amount of braiding hair you'll be using. And also when you're doing fitting, make sure you start first with your natural hair. Do not start with the braiding hair itself. Start first with your natural hair, then as you go by, that is when you start adding the braiding hair to your actual hair. So I'm gonna go closer and so that you guys can see how I'm gonna do it. So the more you go, the more you add gel to make sure that you see the part more clearly. So I'm using the camera to part my hair. Basically I'm just trying to show you guys what technique you guys should use, because you can pre-part it. Because the hair is short, you need to add more gel to make sure you are able to have a clean part. So I'm gonna part it off the camera and then come back so that you guys can see the way I did it. So you can literally tell by adding the braiding gel, the length of the hair has grown longer. So this is how the back looks when you use the gel and part it. The gel is definitely a game changer. So first I'm gonna start with the smaller pieces. So first you start with your actual hair and braid. So you add the first piece of braiding hair. It's hard because I'm doing it with my camera. If I was doing it in a mirror, it's gonna be way easier for me. But because I want to show you guys how it's done, I just have to come closer to the camera. So you keep adding little pieces. Keep adding. Because I want it to be thick, I don't want it to be thin. I'm gonna add more amount of braiding hair now. It's okay with the tiny pieces. And just keep going. Just keep going. Add more actual braiding hair and braid. So you see the way I'm adding the hair? You put it in, you pull, you lift this, and you take it around. That is the way that the braiding hair won't show. So the step that I use in the first braid, I'm gonna use it also in the second braid. So you see the difference? Look at how much hold and strong this braiding gel is. It's literally the best fit for my hair. So just before I'm gonna take in my comb and part. The more I part, like I said earlier, the more I add my gel to make sure that my part is neat and clean. We don't want crooked parting here. I don't have the forward mirror because I don't really care how the back looks. As long as my braid looks good, that's it. Just the front, I don't care. I feel like the back is gonna cover either way, so I'm not doing knotless braids that the back is gonna show. So I'm just doing whatever. So the more I go, the more I add the gel to make sure it's different from the other one. second braid's done. Now we're ready for the third braid. I think I want to have like 12 braids in total, 6 on both sides. Look at how neat this braids look. Just look at how neat it looks. It looks so good. Disclaimer, I'm a braider. Yeah, I know how to braid. Okay guys, so I'm done with the first half of the braids. I had to finish the extra 2 off camera because my camera was on power mode, so I had to go charge it. And then this is how the braid is for now until I finish the other section of it. So excited, just 2 more braids to go. I'm so tired at this point. I had to take out my edges because I feel like it will look nicer if I have like edges on. So almost done. I'm so excited because 1 more braid to go. At this point, I'm really tired. So I'm done with my braids. I'm gonna use this mousse for my hair. It's called the foam clear shire formula. Okay. Okay, that feels so good. Woo. Okay. Oh, that feels. Now I'm gonna do my edges. So I'll be using the same gel that I used to braid my hair for the edges, because I feel like it's the only gel that can hold my edges properly. The mousse is not fully dried out yet, but when I'm done, I'm gonna use a blow dryer for it. So I think I'll do my edges off camera and then come back. Okay, so finally I'm done with my hair. I like the outcome. I feel like I can do it in a bun. It's gonna be nicer. Let me try it and see. Oh, it looks cute in a bun. So finally guys, I'm done with my hair. I like the outcome. Although the edge control, it's not working for my natural hair, but I'm gonna get something tomorrow that will make it sleek properly. But so far, this is it. This is the hairstyle. I feel like I tried my best. I feel like it came out so good and I'm happy with it. I'm happy. I feel like this is gonna last like a week because my hair is short. I don't think it's gonna last me like 2 weeks, but I hope it does. So guys, thank you all for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and I love you all. Bye.